Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to just show you this vehicle that we've done quite a bit of work on. We're getting ready to load it up. We're known for our total ground up rotisserie restorations, but we also do partial restorations. So this particular car, this is a 1973 Oldsmobile 442. It's a big block 4-speed car, pretty rare for 1973. The customer took the vehicle apart, did all the disassembly. They're doing the mechanical work on it. We did metal work, body work, and paint. And then we've just, as you can see, we're loading it on, getting ready to take it back to the client, and then he's going to do some of the reassembly work. So this was normally a chocolate brown color. We've tweaked the recipe. We've got some pearl in it. We've got lots of metallic. Hopefully the camera can pick it up because it has a lot of sparkle metallic in it, more than what the factory would have had originally. So basically what we've done is after we finished all the body work, this is a base coat, clear coat paint finish. And then we've just pre-assembled or pre-hung the doors on the body, and we've set on the trunk lid, and we still have some other components that we're working on for the front clip. And you can notice our camera person is getting a little quick here. This stripe from the factory is a decal, but this is painted on. So we have masked it all, painted the white, and then done this special pearl brown. So it's pretty tricky, a lot of work to get it authentic as it should be. And then you can see as you come along the back of the car, hopefully you can see the metallic. So not only is there sparkle metallic, but there's also pearl in it with some red pearl. So it's not your standard brown color. Very similar to what it was in 73, but when the sun and the light hits it, it does dance quite a bit. On an overcast day or in the shade, it looks quite close to the normal brown color. You'll notice there's an opening here. That's where the 442 raised insignia gets installed. So we've got it all masked out and painted the correct factory white. And then I think the camera can probably pick it up. You can see how straight the body is. A lot of work in terms of block sanding to get it this close. The body was in quite rough shape. We've done, we did quarter panels on it, full floors. So there's lots and lots of work, full trunk. So there's lots that was done. And then a lot of tricky contours where you have the swoop coming down here in the door that starts by the fender and it swoops up. And then you have the other one coming from the quarter panel that swoops up also. So pretty tricky, but you can see how straight it is. Hopefully you can see the shine. You can see where we've done the top of the cowl. On a 73 442, a lot of this is exposed. It doesn't have the big filler panels, small little grid that goes in here, and then when you lift up the hood, it's a massive hood on it, and when you lift the hood, a lot of this is open and exposed. One thing that we changed is on the front firewall. You can see we've painted it the same as the body, where normally that would be black from the factory. So just a little bit cleaner look. So hopefully the camera picks up how nice the metallic is in it and how straight the body is. A lot of contour in the lines, a lot of detail work done in the block sanding too, where you have these grooves. One of the pet peeves I have when we go to car shows, we help judge a lot of the time, and these seams will be filled in. You can see both driver and passenger side. You can see how we cleaned all that stuff out, and it's nice and flush as it should be. We have the trunk lid aligned properly. So the client should be pretty happy with it. So it's been, I think, 12 or 14 years in the making for the customer. It's been on hold because life getting in the way. So then we've taken it quite far, and then we'll help with the reassembly. Once he works on the drive line a little bit more, he'll probably come back here, and then we'll share with you the front fenders and the hood, the front fascia, because there's more white striping on this. So it's a 1973 Oldsmobile 442. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.